Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today we are looking at two different ways to handle daily execution. One focuses on planning the week, the other focuses on acting in the moment. We will start with Twig, then we will move to LemTask and close it out and come back right back here. This is Twig's homepage. For those who don't have it, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on it, you just press start. It will take you here. You just press start. For those who do, let's have a login. Twig is built around weekly planning. You see the entire week at once. Tasks are added directly to specific days. This helps you to stay realistic about time. Your plan once, then you follow your plan. It's easy as that. The only key way you have to always keep your list very clean and short so that you see how productive a week you have. It has a bigger advantage because you get to know what you're going to do tomorrow. And when the day hits for you to attack, you're not cluttered, but instead you are clear and centered on balanced on what you can do today. As you can see, tomorrow is the 5th. I have already scheduled. I'm gonna work, send invoice, having a meet with my CEO, do videos already with this clean structure. And the day after, I know this helps me a lot looking at my whole week of productivity. How is it going? Now let's look at LemTask. Here's the focus: daily execution. Tasks are captured quickly. You choose what to work on and you start immediately. The goal is momentum, less planning, more action. If you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description. Once you click on it, you'll take you to their homepage. Then you just click get for free. Once you're here, you just put in your full name, email, password, and you create your account and you get a free starter plan, guys. This is LemTask. As you can see, there's a whole lot of features that it helps you stay with productivity. By just looking at that dashboard, you can see there's a whole lot of things that help you to stay on your toes. And everything's very direct, easy interface. So if you want to know the full cycle of LemTask, the video is in LemTask channel, and you will see the full video on LemTask. So once you're here, go to Brain Dome, and this is the most favorite part I love is the start voice feature. It allows me just to schedule my tasks using my voice with just out wasting time. Working out today. Once that is done, I just extract. It's a bit too short, I must extend it. Health. Let's just cancel that and do it again. Working with my CEO today. Once you have done that, work with my CEO today, and the date's already been put. It's only a matter of instilling the time, low, medium, or high priority. Then that's it. Make sure to always, I'm just going to make the second example. Make sure to always be very precise on what you're going to say with the voice feature, because if you do not, as you saw what happened right there, if you do not speak directly on what you want and a specific task, it will not allow you to create it and tells you to please extend it with certain words. So must be very thorough and intentional on what you're going to do today. Having client meetings today. Once that is done, you just extract. The date's already been there. It's already the time, a priority, and then that's it. As you can see from my dashboard, my tasks have already been added into today's section. But if you want a big view for me, you just go to today's section, which is basically where you see all the tasks that you have to do today. As you can see, I've scheduled my task using the voice feature, having client meetings, working with my CEO. So automatically, what's left is for me when the time is to act upon the task, then I give it a tick, resembling to an execution. Just like that, I've completed my tasks. This is the core difference. Twig emphasizes planning ahead. You organize your time before you start. LemTask emphasizes action. You decide in the moment and focus on execution. Both tools support daily work, they just support different thinking styles. Twig works well for people who like clear weekly plans. LemTask fits people who prefer flexibility, execution first day. The right tool is the one that matches how you work best.